Grade 8 Mathematics Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable. Now we are going to discuss solving equations having the variable on both sides. So this topic we are going to discuss now. Let us see the first example. Solve 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Here on both the sides, in the LHS side and RHS side, these variables are present. X variable is present. So I'll bring these x variables to one side, like see 2x, this plus x, I am sending it to the LHS side, it became minus x, and here already 2 is there in LHS, in the RHS already 2 is there, so I will bring this minus 3 here, so it becomes a plus 3. So 2x minus x is x and 2 plus 3 is 5. So this is transposing the terms method. I got x is equal to 5. Either you can do like this, or else balancing the equation, means non-transposing method you can do, and also you can find out the answer. You got the same answer, x is equal to 5. Okay. Next I am going to discuss exercise problems. See, in exercise, the first example which we discussed now, all these problems come under that category, and this example is there, no, example 13. So this 13 example will be same like these problems, 7 to 10 problems. So I'll explain you the 7 to 10 problems directly. Here this is your seventh one. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x plus 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. This one he asked us to solve, and he also asked in the question. See, I'll show you the question. Solve the following equations and check your result. He asked us to solve and also to check the result, right? So I am going to solve it and also I am going to check it. Sixth one, 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. So firstly we need to elaborate this. Open that brackets. So 3 is multiplying x and minus 1. So 3 into x is equal to 3x, and 3 into minus 1 is nothing but minus 3. That one I have written here, and remaining same I brought it down. Now 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x and minus 3 plus 7. How to solve minus 3 plus 7? Always write the greatest number sign first, and also check whether these two are same or different. This is minus and this is plus, so always subtract. When you have opposite signs, you need to subtract. 7 minus 3 is nothing but 4, so in that way you are going to get plus 4. Okay, so I have written plus 4 here, doing minus 3 plus 7. Now bring x terms to one side. So I brought plus 3 to this side, then it became minus 3 here, and plus 4 to the other side. When you send, it becomes minus 4. When you solve it, you will be getting 5x is equal to 0. Multiplication 5, when you send it to the RHS side, it becomes division 5, and x is equal to 0 will be your answer. So now we solve the equation, and we need to substitute these values in the given equation, okay, to find out whether the solution what we got, this is called as a solution, right? Solution, or we can call it as a root also. Okay, this root is correct or not. To check out, I am going to substitute in the given question. So I have taken LHS part here, 8x plus 4. When I substitute and solve, I got 4 here, and in the RHS part when I substitute, I got 4 again. So finally I will write hence proved. Next one, here division 5, I send it to the LHS side, it became multiplication 5. Okay, and 5x, this one 4x which is in the RHS side, when you send it to the LHS side, it becomes minus 4x, and x is equal to 40 I got. Okay, now I substituted both in LHS, this 40 both sides in LHS and RHS, and I got the same answer, and finally I wrote hence proved. Now let us see the eighth one. 2x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7x by 15 plus 3. Now let us bring x terms to one side. So I brought 7x by 15 to the LHS side, and I sent plus 1 to the RHS side. Now let us see how we are going to solve this. Always take LCM first. For 3 and 15, if you take LCM, you are going to get 15. 3 into which number gives you 15? 3 5s are 15, right? And 15 into 1 gives you 15. So the same numbers you are going to multiply to the numerator also, into 5 and into 1. So 5 2s are 10x minus 7x into 1 is 7x. So when you solve it, you will be getting 3x by 15. So here I have written 3x by 15. Here 3 minus 1 is 2. Now division 15, when you send it to the RHS side, it becomes multiplication 15 and 3x is equal to 30. Now multiplication 3, send it to the RHS side, it becomes division 3, and when you solve it, you will be getting 10. Okay, now this 10x is equal to 10. This one I am going to substitute both in LHS and RHS side, and I am going to find out the answers. See, I substituted and found out 23 by 3 as the answers. As LHS is equal to RHS, we can write hence proved at last. Next one is ninth one. 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Here also I have brought both the y terms to one side and both the numbers to the other side. I found out the result as 7 by 3. I substituted in LHS side and RHS side, and I found out the same answers. Here in the 10th problem also I sent 5m, which is in the RHS side, to the LHS side, and I got minus 2m as the answer. And here in the RHS side already minus 8 by 5 is present. So minus and minus I cancelled. Here observe in the numerators part. Here if nothing is there, 1 is there, right? Numerators we can cancel directly here itself. 2 1s are and 2 4s are. So what I will get? 1m by 1 is equal to 4 by 5. 1m by 1 means m. m is equal to 4 by 5. Like that also you can write directly. Either you can cancel numerator to numerator directly here itself, or else you can send it to the RHS side, and then the multiplication terms are going to change, like multiplication to division, division to multiplication, plus to minus, and minus to plus. We discussed already. Like that we are going to change, and we are going to do here. See, we have send 2, which is in multiplication, to the RHS side, it became division 2. Like this you can do, or else previously I explained you, right? In that method also you can do. And m is equal to 4 by 5, we got the answer, and I substituted in the LHS and RHS part, and I got the same answers, which shows us the answer which we got is correct, and hence proved we have written. Thank you.